Just about any symptom you have could be related to toxins. This is because toxins alter the balance of microbes in the body. They inhibit your liver and gallbladder function, causing a cascade of digestive symptoms and an inability to detoxify efficiently. Here are signs of toxin symptoms: autoimmune disease of all types, Hashimoto's, rheumatoid arthritis, colitis, MS, fibromyalgia, chronic long-term pain and inflammation. Symptoms of parasites, anal itching, abdominal pain, insatiable appetite, and more. Fatigue, persistent tiredness despite adequate rest. Digestive issues, bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea. Skin problems, acne, rosaces, psoriasis, rashes, or other skin irritations. Headaches, frequent or chronic headaches. Joint and muscle pain, unexplained aches and pains. Brain fog, difficulty concentrating or memory problems. Mood swings, anxiety, depression, or irritability. Weight issues, unexplained weight gain or difficulty losing weight. Here are most common sources of toxins: environmental pollutants, air pollution, heavy metals, and pesticides. Processed foods, additives, preservatives, and artificial ingredients. Household chemicals, cleaning products, personal care products, and cookware and storageware plastics. Medications, overuse of prescription and over-the-counter drugs. Alcohol and tobacco, excessive consumption and exposure. How to minimize toxin exposure? Unfortunately, so many things in our modern world are contributing to our toxic burden. In order of importance, first focus on your food, water and cookware. Next, work on your indoor air and products for cleaning and personal care. Hydration, drink plenty of clean water to help flush out toxins. Healthy diet, focus on whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Focusing on organic, grass-fed, and pesticide and chemical-free food. Exercise, regular physical activity helps your body eliminate toxins through sweat. Adequate sleep, ensure you get enough rest to allow your body to recover and detoxify. Limit alcohol and caffeine, these substances can burden your liver and impede detoxification. Detoxifying foods, incorporate foods that support liver health, such as garlic, turmeric, leafy greens, and beets. Probiotics, support your gut health with probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables. Dry brushing, this technique stimulates the lymphatic system and promotes the removal of toxins through the skin. Reduce stress, engage in stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Saunas, regular sauna sessions can help eliminate toxins through sweating. By recognizing the symptoms of toxin overload and adopting a healthy lifestyle, you can support your body's natural detoxification processes and improve your overall well-being.